the remnants of the hurricane. It's pretty windy. See the clouds. It's been raining off and on. Not too bad. But my question is, see here, squirrels dug into my wife's plants again. I don't really know what to do to deter the squirrels. I have nothing against squirrels. I like them. I film them. But yet, they've been very destructive. So, what to do? What to do? I don't know. Anybody know? Anybody have a remedy for that? Natural remedy? And the funny thing is, this stuff is potted. It's not stuff that's been there. So, why they're digging in it, I don't know.